See, in my last talk, I delivered about the resolution to practice yoga in a Brahma Muhurt, resolution to protect our nature, resolution to keep ourselves closer to the nature. With this, also take a resolution to make International Day of Yoga celebration successful, Fit India movement successful. Now I want to discuss with you all people that let's we think about our daily routine also, Swasth Vritta. See, the season is changing. It's raining outside. You may be looking in that ground. See, construction work, some of the construction works are going on. Maybe marriage hall they are going to construct. There is a very nice person, Viswajit, who is constructing these buildings. He is thinking that a proper planned and proper managed structure can lead towards the proper and healthy planning to complete our marriage proceedings and all the marriage functions, and so many functions can be successfully completed in this type of grounds. So here that's why he is doing construction in a proper planned way. So it's also Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's the way towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's the way towards the vocal for local. The same already Honorable Prime Minister addressed the nation that we have to be vocal for local and we have to move towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat. This is the Atmanirbhar Bharat. With our small startup or middle startup or large startup, we can go for this Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay, so we were at our Swasth Vritta. What our Swasth Vritta should be? What our daily routine should be? We have to think about this also. See, 50% of the work is being completed by yogic practices, and the rest of the portion, 50% is taken under care of by your daily routine, by your consistent effort, by your following of Swasth Vritta. So it's very much necessary to follow, to strictly check our daily routine. What we are eating, what we are taking, what type of quality oxygen we are inhaling, okay, in which season what we are taking, in which season what we are going to plan, okay. These all are constitutes, these all constitute to make, to form, to transform your body system healthy and happy. It's very important. See, these are the component of yoga. If you are learning from anywhere, yoga instructor will explain you this everything. That what is the irony inside this following and these habits, following of these habits and making of a very healthy habits. So we do have to think about strict following of Swasth Vritta, a consistent and regular daily routine, and also eat and sleep habits. I already have, maybe possible that I already explained about these all things, but again what I think that these are the pillar of our good health, so it must be clarified again and again and again, so that until and unless it doesn't take a very stable portion, a stable part inside your brain, so till that time we need to repeat it again and again. So with that objective I am telling you again to think about this also, okay. So with good wishes for your good health. Thank you so much.